Hi, thanks for clicking on this video. Today, I will show you how to reverse a video on CapCut. Make sure to subscribe to fix it for more tutorials. First of all, open up the CapCut app, and then for the purpose of this video, I'm going to start a new project, and then I'm going to import a random video from my gallery to edit in the app. So, once you have imported the video that you want to reverse, simply tap on Edit. Swipe through these tools at the bottom and find an option called Reverse. Once you find it, simply tap on it, and it will take a couple of seconds to do its thing.